Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. Today our recipe is Irani chaya. Come on friends, we can go to video. 3 cup of water, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons tea powder, add 4 to 5 cardamom, keep in the low flame and we can close it for 15 minutes. In another vessel, we can add 2 cup of full cream milk. After milk boil, we can add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, stir continuously. After a few minutes, we got a smooth mixture in milk. We can filter the milk and we can also filter the decantation. Add half cup of decantation and half cup of milk. Mix well. In another cup, we can add half cup of decantation and half cup of milk. Mix well. Wow, Irani chaya is ready. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye guys.